Now let's use ChatGPT to create a social media campaign around a product that we're trying to sell online. What I'm gonna start with is this prompt. I'm selling a coffee mug with a cool Star Wars logo on it for millennials. Please write a detailed description of the product and put a list of the SEO keywords as bullet points at the end. Okay, so this is great. Let's just read a little bit of this as ChatGPT is going to work. Introducing the ultimate coffee mug for Star Wars fans and millennials alike. Our coffee mug features a sleek and modern design with a bold Star Wars logo that ensures to impress. Made from high quality ceramic material, the mug is perfect for daily coffee fix or as a collector's item to add to your Star Wars memorabilia. It goes on to tell the capacity and all the other details about the coffee mug, its key features, and the SEO terms that I can use for my post. Now what I wanna do is promote this product on YouTube. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to come up with 3 ideas that I can film with 2 of my friends about the product. And I want ChatGPT to make the 3 ideas in the storytelling style of George Lucas. Perfect, so I have my 3 different options that are just potential jumping off points that I could then turn into scripts, turn into new ideas, or turn into blog posts and copy for online use. But let's just go ahead and take a gander here. The quest for the ultimate coffee mug. In this idea, you and your 2 friends could film a short video that takes viewers on a quest to find the ultimate coffee mug. On the way, you could encounter various obstacles such as broken mugs, weak coffee, and an evil barista. I like it. Eventually, you could stumble upon a Star Wars coffee mug and triumphantly declare that the quest is over. Pretty cool, pretty sweet idea. We could remix it as needed. And really, the options here are just endless. And because this first option is so funny, let's have ChatGPT write a 60-second script on bullet point 1. Perfect, we have our 60-second script with me and my 2 friends, and even it puts a placeholder at the end here to put a product image with a purchase link to our Star Wars coffee mug. Now you can go out and you can film this, or you can even use a platform like ArtGrid and Canva to use online content such as B-roll and photos if you don't have the ability to film a concept like this on your own, which we're gonna get more into that later in the course. And just as a little bit of a bonus tip here, if we wanted to go out and shoot a concept that we created on ChatGPT, but we didn't have the equipment or the means to film it ourselves, there's great websites like ArtGrid that you can get a ton of really unique and professional looking stock footage from.